Good morning to everyone. Welcome to our social class. Before going into the topic, we sing a prayer song. Asato ma satgamaya jamaso ma jyodirgamaya mrityo ma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. In this class, we discussed about history. Two types of history. Historians have divided our past into two periods. One is prehistory, the other one is history. What is history? History is the period of which we find written records or direct evidences. From them, we know about the people, their lifestyles, and their achievements. Such sources could be manuscripts, books, inscriptions, and other evidences like coins, biographies, and autobiographies. However, history has abundance of literacy sources. Next, what is prehistory? Prehistory is the period before the development of human civilization, when humans did not have a regular and meaningful script for writing and recording the happenings of the period. We know about this period through archaeological evidences found from archaeological sites. Why should we study history? We study history to know various things about a culture, books and literature, invention and discoveries, cultural heritage, customs and rituals, lifestyle of people, buildings and sculptures, dance and music, religion, food. Archaeological site. An archaeological site is a place in which evidences of past activity is preserved. This is the image of archaeological site. Archaeological evidences. To know about the people and their life in the past historic and early historic period, we totally depend on materials left behind by them. It could be the remains of their houses, food in the form of grains stuck at the corner of a broken pot, or the beads of the ornaments they used. Many people help us discover mysteries of the past. Historians, archaeologists, geologists, physicists, paleontologists, anthropologists are some of the experts who help us understand our past. These people follow a very interesting process to excavate a site and discover its finding. First, a place or an area is identified as the probable site for excavation. This is the image of excavation site. Next one, carbon dating. They find out how old these objects are through a process called carbon dating. The archaeological evidences are found by archaeologists in an excavation site. These evidences are direct evidences can be categorized as follows: pots and pottery, inscriptions, coins, ruins of buildings, tools, beads, ornaments, figurines, structures, rural site. Okay, cuties, I think you are clear about this topic. You have one homework for you. Do practice zone 1 and practice zone 2. If you know the answer means you write and send me to Google Classroom. Otherwise, we discussed about in next live class. Thank you, cuties. Stay home, stay safe.